Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about headlight, tail light and pass light circuit of a car. So the components for these lights are here. This one, and this one and this one are tail lights. This one is front right, this one is front left, this one is rear right, and this one is rear left. Tail lights, this one is number plate light, these two are headlights, and these two acts as pass light as well. These three are electromagnetic relays. This one is headlight left relay, this one is headlight right relay, this one is tail light relay. So first of all, what is headlight, what is tail light, and what is pass light? So talking about headlight, the main purpose of headlights is to illuminate the road ahead, enabling drivers to see and be seen, especially during night time or in low visibility conditions. So talking about tail lights on the other hand enhance a vehicle's visibility to other road users, particularly from behind, aiding in safe driving and preventing accidents. These lights are red in color. And talking about pass lights, pass light are a signal to the driver in front to slow down. The pass light alerts the drivers ahead that you are going to overtake their car by speeding. Among the headlights there are two types of beams, high beam and low beam, or dipped and main beam. Low beam are used in normal driving, whereas high beam is used for brighter illumination whenever necessary. So now talking about the working of this circuit. So for the tail light, this one is tail light relay. So a current flows from this battery towards this fuse, and then flows towards this relay, and then grounded over this E. So when this electromagnet gets energized, then there will be the connection in this point. That means circuit gets closed, and then current again flows from this path, that means B1 to B2, and then to this light, this light, this light, this light, and this light. So how does this happen? Let's see. So this is the energization of this relay, and then illumination of these lights. These are tail lights. So that's how tail lights are illuminated in this circuit. Now talking about the working of the headlight. Now for the low beam headlight, current flows towards these relays from this ignition switch. That means current flows from this fuse towards this ignition switch, and then from this node current flows towards this relay, and then from this node current flows towards this relay, and then current flows from this node towards this HS terminal, and then grounded over here. So when current flows from these coils, then it will get energized, and it pulls this bar downwards against this spring. So there will be the connection in this point, so circuit will get closed. So that will make the direct current withdraw from this battery, and then current will flow from this fuse towards this headlight, and this fuse towards this headlight. So that's how the current R flows in these headlights. Now for the low beam, this small filament will be illuminated. So current will flow from this node now, and then comes to this node from here, and then flows towards this HL terminal, and then grounded over here. So that's how the circuit gets completed for this low beam headlights. So let's see how this works. See, these relays are energized, and then current flows directly from the battery towards these headlights. Now for the high beams, the only difference between high beam and low beam is that now for the high beam, this bigger filament will be illuminated, and current will now flow from this path towards this HU terminal, and then grounded over here. Let's see how this works. See, current flows from this path and grounded over here from this HU terminal. Now talking about the passing light. In case of passing light, this bigger filament will be illuminated, but the current flowing path is slightly different than in case of high beam headlight. So current flows from this fuse towards these relays, but the return line is slightly different. So current flows from this terminal towards this HS terminal, and then from this terminal towards this ground in case of passing light. Let's see how current flows. See, current flows from this path, but in case of high beam headlight, current flows from this path over here to the ground. So in case of passing light, there will be the regular making and breaking of this magnetic field, because there will be the continuous connection and discontinuation of this point, connection and disconnection of this point regularly. So that will collapse this magnetic field. So these two pass light will blink. Let's see how they blink. So you can see there is the collapse of magnetic field. So these pass light are blinking in this pass light mode. That's how this circuit works. If you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.